Mấy cơ quay na tao Guikhanliu Malingmei YouTube Channel bektin rei nei la mai thon riu dari asai March Zurich tree na tanai kum sing nei na tree na pungu. The Gaanphiu Mail, Tamenglong local newspaper king in Sam the call. Infal March Tarik Tree na pungu. Manipur tung political parties root na charuk radio nung type meeting kariu na central government kau constituencies delimitation height national delimitation tat kai metang rate tat kai khang sangway kan the. All political parties meeting the National People's Party office in report infal kau tat kai kan tuangi. Tiki mi tuang meeting kau tai ruling BJP kani opposition congress tu guang kasau kan magi tu na CPI Manipur state yatrimayum santa re chamla mi kau sa kane. Meeting khau tai Manipur khau delimitation hai kum singnai na akhat census khau alat mai nai me tai su in chum dat mak san tat kai mak khang ding lau kani khatni delimitation hai kum singnai na tri na truk tang re tat kai khang central government khau sang wai khang ding lau kani meeting khau tai Manipur dung la lu re kuk mai nai mai sang re delimitation tat kai khang chani tong ra mi tu na ka phian kani Manipur khau intaw delimitation exercise tat kai gong Tuang nai thai lat lu kai inbu pat bam nu we tu na sakani Tuesday no Manipur dung all political parties meeting khotai Supreme Court khau intaw legal proceeding tat kai bam mai khau hai ni intervene su khang ding lau kan thi Root natural political parties meeting tai Supreme Court re delimitation exercise pending lau bam mai Arunachal Pradesh Nagaland Manipur khani Assam hai buthum lungkhau loi khang directive tikan mitang tat kai kan chonge Tuesday nung tuang root natural political parties meeting khotai AAP BSP CPIM NPP CPI JDU Naga People's Front RPIA AIF B Trinamool Congress NCP NCP SP RSP Shiv Sena Khatni Manipur's People Party kasau kane Infal March Tarik Tree na charuk Government of Manipur Directorate of Environment and Climate Change re kum singnai na tree na pung tree na charuk tung state level media fellowship application khang sa indaw kan thi asai kum tung media fellowship hai luan charuk tang mai thi kum na reporting high climate change impacts and action in Manipur to my team khau hi kani media fellowship khau journalist kan ru the category padai khau Kadapni category type print media reporter, electronic media reporter, women journalist category for print media reporter, Kani Hill journalist category for print media reporter, Jonat Naipni, journalism and media reporting khauting kum khadaw, tan tat may nunroy apply sunupuni, fellowship award hai tangka ching ringule, citation tipuni, fellowship lung khau hai exposure trip hai, state by thang induak tatpuni, kazaw ni my journalist re, April tarik sanay kum singnay ni chui na pung ma khau apply sukhange. Sanapati March Tarik Tree na charuk. Naga Students Federation Rilang na March Tarik Tree na tachat kum singnay na tree na pung nung Liwa Sarai Village Ground Chandel Kau the Naga Morung Tatkay Khang Dinglaw ba Mighty High All Naga Students Association Manipur re matsuangi tu na sa indaw kanthi. The Naga Morung tay Naga Students Union Chandel re host tu na tatkay pani. Ansem tuang pre statement kau tay NSF re lungning law na kukna lim tu may team kau kapien kariu khang sulaw ba may hai re charuang kau inchu may khatni khat kau lum may tay inbu thau thi tu na sakani mi kup may dialogue sai democratic progress kau pai na ka ge na ye kumna mi kau hai ansem re full support kani cooperation ti law pani tu na sakane mi da kau inchuk may meeting tat kai ni may kau hai civil society organizations kani Puam bai minun roi stride submit hai ban hai takai loma khang zangwai kane Ukrul March Tarik Tree na charuk Naga People's Front Manipur State Unit re local newspaper kau all political parties re kariu na delimitation process ta nunimak may indaw kanthi tu na hikan may latbam ta clarification tipa dat kanthi NPF Manipur State Unit on General Secretary Honrai Kui Kasung re Wednesday nung clarification tipat kan may thelai na all political party meeting March Tarik Tree na pung kum singnay na tree na pung nung tay kapam may le tu na NPP conference hall Noram thong infal khau ka zawlo twangi tu na sakani NPF remi twang meeting tai Manipur khau chu sak mai phungwang dat ni mai khang ka phian pungi tu na goodwill khau ka zaw twangi tu na sakani meeting khau tai honrai khui ka sung re chief electoral officer Manipur thailai na election commission of India re CEO's office kang delimitation process lam khau ti thai gong mai twang ma ge tu na salaw kan twangi tu na sakani NPF thailai na Supreme Court order lam khau print media re hi kan metai intaw gan le chana mage Local newspaper kau proposed delimitation process to all political parties meeting kau roi athung ni thei tuna in chamna dinglaw thei tuna hi kan meta nuni mak mai indaw kane NPF or MSU roi kaloi na delimitation process to oppose sumai tuang ma ge kumna officials suna tat kai mekan kau roi la dingla khangdei tuna sa indaw kane Infal March Territory na Charuk. Infal Valley kaunai may nu may puam katum tuang gathers kan pangurui business suba may government officials kanigari galuba may nun kaurui sian demand suna kakhaba may kaurui Manipur Police March Territory na pungnung nim kan the nim kan may nun pang kautai ganai hai United National Liberation Front kauriye kanai ri Infal le Bisnupur areas kautrak nun kaurui sian kakha tadbang may kaurui nim kan tuangi kanai zantai Thongam Ronaldo Singh, Lilong Arabti Mayai Laikai, Infal East Kani, Kuraizam Michael Singh, Kating Kumchit Natachat, Lilong Arabpati Maning Laikai, Infal East Kari, Bahit may Operation Kari, SOREPA tong active member akat, Tayenjam Sanatomba Singh, Kating Kumrigday Nakatumta, Standard College, Kongba, Irelbung Police Station Bang Kari Nim Kante, Kamay government officials Kari Sian demand sutat bang may Kari Nim Kanjonge. Mida kau Kanglaipa Communist Party tong active member kanai tani Manipur Police Street ni Moy kani kanai zantai Wairakpam Jagat Chandra Singh katingkum tamru na khat khani pebam Roman Singh katingkum chui na tachade kanai ta thangtek Tera Makong Nambol Korea asai nim kan mai gan pang roi dukan dung mai Dr. Thao Station Infal Kani Nambol area tong private school nun kau sian demand sutat bang may kau nim kan jongi Manipur kau law and order situation ga in bu khang karamba may lung kau security forces nun rui lo tuan may tan tat may nun ta pu may intaak magna ba may kage nai may cham ti thai pat may Office of the Town Churches Youth Organization under Tamenglong Town Churches Union may gwait na kang greetings ti pare Kani Town Churches Youth Organization tong members nun kagwait na ta combined service Kang invites we mi Kyoto March Tarik Tamru Sunday kum singne na treat na pungnung United Baptist Church LNBAM Tamenglong headquarter kautat kaipni mi putong program kotai leader sulani mai Mr. Dintapaw Riap Mai President BYF CCBC Kani Gai Champungwang Launi Mai Miss Fiona Goy Mai Founder and Director Cats Ministry by Joel Gang Mai President TCYO Tamenglong headquarter Guest new connection available Composite fiber cylinder kg root na padai domestic hani commercial kg chui high new connection suni megwai rui office r kau gwanga lalau nui by manager Ener gas agency medical gate Tamenglong opposite Chulon auto parking Tamenglong ting nai luan banrau bu tarik chui na chanai kum singnei na chui na pungu lau chuan kalan ting sin nai nai zingbang tingpuk in than nei banrau bu tarik chui na tachat kum singnei na chui na pungu Lau chuan kalan ting sin nai nai zingbang tingpuk in than nei Mai ka na king in chui na king lau makhangta Guikhanliu Malingmei YouTube Channel bek timroi thun ku mai in dau dare asai khung thu hai khawre jam nga lau thi ningthau ka lau chuan khong ru makhai kai mekan rui king in sam the local thun ku thei